Hello everybody, I've decided to revisit this problem of Mike's little part here. So what I've discovered is that if we pull this into a solid and then select the solid and the move tool, drag it into the part, with the hope that we're going to be able to use this part to cut out a recess, and we try and do that. We select combine, click the target object, which is the main solid. Okay, now it's asking us select the cutter object, and now we get a fill here. Now I believe it's because of this complex curve, can't cope with it. So what I've discovered is escape. If we then select the solid, move tool, move it right out the back end, if you pardon the expression, and do the same process, combine, select the target object, that, then the cutter object. Right, we find we get another solid here, and it appears that it has worked. So we can select that solid, drag it out, select that solid, drag it out, and we've got a recess. So it looks as though it's definitely this complex curve at an angle. There's some strange things going on with it that is preventing this working. Now if you did it that way around, then select the pull tool, select that corner and that corner, and with the rounded corner active, we drag in, we can have our recess on a curve. Maybe Mike should attack it that way by putting a recess in first, then putting the curve on. I've also noticed that if we select that plane and select X on the keyboard for a section plane, select that and then try and pull this up, and we're getting sections through. Notice we're getting very odd section lines shown. Something very strange going on with it trying to section this part here. Gaps of section lines keep going. Oops. No, it hasn't put any section lines in at all. And what's happening here? What is this? So I think this model Mike has made is a bit too complex for good old Design Spark to cope with. I would suggest that he tries to simplify it a bit. Also, there's a corner here and no corner line down there. I'll go back to design mode. There's a sharp corner there, but no line down from there down to somewhere. And this corner here, I don't know how that's happened. This face seems straight, but where's this corner come from? Look at this. Look at that side on, and that is straight up there. There's no dint here. But how come there's a sharp corner there, and this face also looks straight? I don't know how. I can't visualize that. So I would advise Mike to start again with this. Try and simplify it and make it look as though it's right. The way I've done this radius here. that seems to work quite nicely. So there's a few thoughts which are interesting, I believe. Hope you do too. Bye.